Hello guys, today we will discuss about income and substitution effect. We will see this slide later. To understand income and substitution effect, we first need to understand the consumer equilibrium. Consumer equilibrium is the point at which the indifference curve tangents the budget line. This is the budget line. We also call this marginal rate of substitution. We know that marginal rate of substitution equal to px by py, and when the indifference curve tangents the marginal rate of substitution or the slope or the budget line, um, and the point at which it tangents, it is the consumer equilibrium. Here at point A it is consumer equilibrium. Now let's see what happens when price changes of demand of good X. When the price of good X decreases, the demand curve has shifted from M by Px to M by Px1, and we got a new indifference curve, and it tangents the budget line with at point B, and the demand is x1, and this is the shift from x to x1 is called the price effect. Price effect occurs when um, it is price effect because price fall, but the demand has increased, so there is inverse relationship, and here the price effect is negative. Here at this point x is the price of x good is greater, and at this point the price of x good is less. For that reason we have given this symbol. So we have understood what happens when price changes. Now we will see what happens when income decreases to the initial level. So at this point his income increased and the price of good X decreased. And now if we decrease the income to his initial level, we need to parallelly shift the increased income line downward parallelly. It should be parallel. See, it should be parallel. It should be parallel. It is parallel. It is parallel. Then, after shifting parallelly, it will tangent with the initial indifference curve or initial utility level, that is IC. Tangents with the initial indifference curve at point C, and the demand is XH, Hicks. H indicates Hicks because according to Hicks, consumer income should be compensated such that consumer can attain initial utility level. We cannot bring it here. We cannot bring it here. We cannot bring it here or here. We need to bring it up to the initial utility level. That is, we are saying up to the initial utility level, and it tangents at point C, and it tangents at point C. For that reason we have given X8 that indicates Hicks. So here two effects occurred. The first one is substitution effect. From B to C, that is from X to XH, it is substitution effect, and income effect is from XH to X1. It happened because of income. It happened because of the decrease of income, and for that reason it is called income effect. and due to decrease in income, and at this point you can say that we have decreased the income to the initial level, but why the demand is greater in point C from point A. In point C the income decreased and also the price also decreased, and for that reason the demand at point C is greater than point A. So from X to XH it is substitution effect, and from XH to X1 it is income effect. I think we have understand. I think we have understand the income and substitution effect. Here is the overall picture. You can see if you wish. Thank you.